Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Anything. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create a calculator using Thunkable. So let's get right into the video. So, for creating a calculator, first we'll head to thunkable.com. Now, click on Get Started. You have to sign up there. Because I've signed up already, it will take me to this page. Now, click on this plus button and under this it would be written create new app. Click. Now write your project name as calculator. Now click on create. After this it will automatically take you to this page. Now then first we'll just take a column from here. There will be a list visible here of components. Just search column here and then just drag and drop it here. After this, it will be written column 1 on the screen. Now, we'll be needing 4 buttons. Button. Search here and then drag and drop everyone one by one. After this, we would be needing a label for our heading. Search label and then drag and drop it here. Now we want some space between these. So now click anywhere on this white space. Then you will see a manual or a menu kind of thing in the right hand side. Just scroll this down. You will see vertical alignment. Under vertical alignment, there is a drop down. Click on this and choose space around. This is better. Now click on this label and then you just scroll up in the right hand menu and then select this text. Write calculator app. Calculator app, or you can write only calculator. Now you can increase the font size. I'll keep it 25 because it's large and visible. Now you can select a good color. I'll be choosing red. Now again click on the white space anywhere. Go to background color. If you are up there, you have to scroll a bit down. Then you will see background color. Choose a background color of your choice. I'll take yellow because it looks good with this red color that I've chosen here. Now click on this button. First, we will make the function for this addition. Then write the text here as plus and set the background color of your own. I'll choose green. Yes. Now do the same for the second button. The second button is minus. I think this background color is okay for this one. Head over to the third button. Here type X because we are multiplying it. Now go to background color and select your favorite one. I'll select, I think green is okay. So here it will be blue. This is the divide one. So write this divide symbol here. Our app design for the home page is already ready. Okay, so now we have to add screens from here. Add a screen and then select blank screen. Then click on the next button. Repeat it 3 times. Not 3 times, 4 times. Now we will go to this one, screen one. So first we'll add functions for the addition one. So screen 2 will be our addition screen. So head over to screen 2 and then get a text input. Text input. We need 2 of them. So drag and drop 2. Then we need a label. And then for a calculate button, take this. Calculate. Oh, sorry. It will be a button. button. Yes. Now you can rearrange them from this label from here upside of the left hand menu. I want this button to be here and this label in between of these two text inputs. Now click on the white space anywhere and then go to have vertical alignment and choose a space around as done in screen 1. So now this will look a bit neat. So now we'll go to the label and then set text to the plus. Then increase the font size. I'll keep it as 25. And then in the text here, don't just edit these text inputs as these are only suiting me. You can edit them. So I'll head to this button and then set this text to calculate. And I need another label which will be our answer label. This label will display the answers. So this label should be below this text input. And this label would be empty. And now I'll also set this font size to 25. Okay, so now it's good to go. Now go to blocks and then click on text input 1. But first we need an event. So go to button 5 and drag and drop this block when button 5 clicked. Then head over to text input 2. From text input 2, get set text. No, we don't need this button block because this block is used to set text. We need to get the text from there. So we'll delete this block. Now we need go to this math corner and then select this block. Now we have to just select this answer label. You will see a tiny dot here. If you are not able to click on it, you can go here and you can select this label. This is label 3. Now we will go to label 3 and here we need to set this text. So now drag and drop this from label 3 set text to this. Now take this addition block that we took from the math functions and then head over to text input 2. Then we need from text input 2 get hint block. Just change this hint to text plus. Now we head over to text input 1 and then get this from text input 1 get text. Now this code when button 5 clicked from label 3 set text to from text input 2 get text plus from text input 1 get text will help us to add. Go to the live test to see if it's working. Type any number like 4 plus 5. It will give us the answer 9. Perfect. This is working just so good. It's working perfect. Now just set this background color. Click on this white area and go to background color. I'll make it not red, this kind of color. Okay, so this is good. Now go to screen 1 and just check what ID is the plus button. It's button 4. Go to blocks, this select this button 4 and when button 4 click go to control and then navigate to screen 2. Now we have just done it for this addition one. We'll go to live test. We'll click on this. Okay, so I guess there is some issue. This is not navigating us to that page. This is button 4. Let's recheck our code. This should work. So I think I'll just refresh the page. Thunkable is a website. It needs refreshments frequently. So now we'll check it out. It is working perfectly. So now similarly we have to do it for this minus and addition and this division. So let's quickly complete it. So I've finished designing all the screens. Like this is for addition This is for subtraction, this is for multiplication, and this is for division. Now let's code screen 1. So our addition is already done. So now let's head over to subtraction button. It is button 3. Go to blocks, and then head over to button 3. Drag and drop this. When button 3 clicked, go to control, get this block, navigate to screen 3. Similarly, we have to do for multiplication and division. Now let's see what buttons are those. Our multiplication is button 2 and our division is obviously button 1. So now first we'll do for multiplication. Go to button 2, get this block, and go to control and get this block. So we have to go for screen 3. I'll show you these codes, but yes, I'll show you these codes. Then in screen 1, this button 2 clicked, go to screen 4. Screen 2 is our addition, screen 3 is our subtraction, screen 4 is our multiplication, and screen 3 is our division. Now go to this button 1. Then get this block. When button 1 click, go to control, navigate to screen 5. Perfect. So we have finished making our calculator app. The only thing left is to explain you how it works. In the blocks, we have got these 4 codes here. When button 4 would be clicked, it will navigate us to screen 2. When button 3 will be clicked, it will navigate us to screen 3. When button 2 will be clicked, it will navigate us to screen 4. And when button 1 is clicked, it will navigate us to screen 5. The codes of screen 2 are already explained to you, so we'll head over to screen 3. In this screen, when button 5 is clicked, from label 3, we will set the text to minus, then from text input 2, get text, minus from text input 1, get text. Similar, all the codes are similar, just we have to select the operations from here. Similarly, it's done for screen 5. Now we'll go to screen 1 and then click on live test. Here's our calculator. And I forgot one thing. We need back buttons. Here, we'll be needing another button like this because only and only we need to go back to the screen. We need to go back to our home screen. Just set this button to the downmost below the calculate button. Yes. And just set this text to back. Now we will code it. When button 6 is clicked, then we will navigate to screen 1. Now the code is similar for everything. So let's add the back buttons. Okay, so I've finished adding all the back buttons. In every single screen, there is a back button. And I've coded them too. Like for this screen 5 back button, when button 9 is clicked, it will navigate us to screen 1. I've done the same for every single screen. Okay, so now let's do our live test. Now click every single button to see. We'll start with the plus one. Okay, so I guess there is a problem. This label has head over to there. We'll just rectify that. Take this label below this. Okay, so let me see if there is any error. No. Now again we'll do the live test. Okay, so we have to head over to screen 1 and then do the live test. We'll start with the plus 1. Then we will write some values here. Then we'll type on calculate. It will give us the answer. Now we will go back. We will try for the subtraction one. We will again write values and click on calculate. It will again give us this answer. Then we will go back, go to the multiplication one, write some values, and it will give us the answer. These three are working well. So this division one is the last. Again write some values here and then click on calculate. It is working perfectly. Well, I like this design. You can choose your own. I don't have like restrictions. There are no restrictions in these designs. I'll just mm, I'll just remove this button, this label, answer label, a little bit down so it looks good. Okay, so I think we have finished making our calculator app. Whoa, it was a great video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like this video, please share this with your friends and comment down your ideas for the next video as I'm already working on it. Thank you.